Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track.
South County was great. I definitely recommend Casey and his crew. We had a toilet leak while we were gone and the wood floor was destroyed. Erika got us what we felt was deserved from our homeowners insurance, and the entire process was pretty straightforward. We ended up remodeling our kitchen with them during the process, and it turned out beautiful.
But please don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. Call us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.